Survivor, I'm back once again. I'm your art Survivor 16 and welcome to my world. So it's another Friday Kapasok Vlog. So ngayon, syempre, dito tayo sa isang tournament ng mga international na mga pa-tournament ng India, Indian community, Nepal, Pakistan, like that. So walang kasaling walang kasaling mga Philippine team, pero so excited.
After Pakistan, Manipur Team Ali International, one love, jersey number 9.
Huwag yung underestimate ng hindi natin tingnan kasi. Parang ano yun, yung alam yung sa yung...
Alam mo yung service na gano'n?
Alam mo yung super contra, ganun yung lumilipat iba doon.
Team 2, Karnataka, 1.
Kayo kanina maganda yung naman nagkakapit sa kayo. Oh!
Mali International go before.
Let's go, Miss War!
Mali
Parang
Omo.
yung ano to, English na. Yung seto nila, tamoy tsura. Parang mabay kami tsura, same yung kano. Lasing nga.
Hey! Outside! Wala.
Another point that's out of the box. The International gets into fight. It's a good start.
Hey!
Yung mga kalaban nila yung...
Wow!
Catch the net!
Net touch.
Wala pang kalaban nila.
Kalaban nyo, wala pa oh.
Wala pang
Excited kayo? Wala pa kayo.
warm up to sila.
Chance na.
Okay, go number 4!
Hey! Ali!
6-4 on Nala. Zalitrum, just number 8. Vicious Suna.
Bilis, black. Walang call, hindi pwede. Nice one, Saga! Sandip!
Yes, number 27 for Eagle. Goes back to the service lane. God 6 until on.
Yan na. Hey! Sandip! Ina mga walang receive pa, tapos na.
Kasi nilabas si Ram.
Paano kami makakasigaw?
Guys, it's go!
Sahara Zari.
Wala mga receive.
Oh, what? Ayun na, tama na.
Lock ng para sa'yo.
Striker ba yan?
Three. Onne Mota. As the first point for the first phase. 1-3.
Patay kayo. O yun.
That's not able to control the first chance.
Naghahanap ng isang bola.
2-3. Austin King 2. Sahara 3.
Putang ina.
Most blocker Mansur. Continuous survey. Jason number 17. Ijaz. Team Sahara.
Awit lang daw.
Whistle, wait. Ano, 7, ano na? 3?
Yes, one reload. This is just the service here. 1, 2. A very crucial point for Hostels. They move to 4-7. Just in number 6. Into the service area. Oh, what a play!
So, ito na nga. So, highlights lang to ng ano, highlights lang to ng paligo dito. And injured. Kung bago ka lang sa channel ko, syempre don't forget to click the subscribe button and click that notification bell para updated kayo every time na upload tayo ng mga bagong videos. Okay? Just give a thumbs up kung nagustuhan niyo yung mga videos na to, and please do share. You can always leave a comment basta no hate, no bashing, and no negative. Okay? So, hanggang sa muli, mga survivors. Okay? Again, this is your Art Survivor 16 saying bye for now.